Hello and welcome to this tutorial. In this video we're going to show you how you can embed the Calendly into a Wordpress Elementor. Embedding a Calendly in Wordpress Elementor is easy. Once you have installed the Calendly plugin and activated it, you will need to add a new widget to your WordPress site. Click on the Add New Widget menu item in the left-hand sidebar of your WordPress site, and then select the widget category. Click on the Calendly widget option to open the widget editor. In the widget editor, you will need to provide the following information: the URL of your Calendly account, the API key of your Calendly account, the name of the widget, the description of the widget, the category of the widget, the position of the widget on your WordPress site, the theme of your WordPress site, the available widgets on your WordPress site, the Add to Theme button, and once you have completed the above steps, your Calendly widget will be available on your WordPress site. To embed the widget, copy the following code and paste it into the code field on your blog or paste, which is this link over here and this code. The pro tip is, if you're embedding a Calendly in WordPress Elementor, be aware that there is a potential for conflict between the two platforms. It is recommended that you take the time to test your implementations thoroughly before making it live onto your site. And these are some of the related questions found, and how to change the favicon, how to add Elementor, and so on and so forth. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon.